Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So far the Samsung's long-awaited Galaxy Tab S8, Galaxy Tab S8 Plus and Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra have been pushed back further to keep the Galaxy S22 series afloat. Furthermore, those looking to get their hands on the superlative Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra will have to have their fingers on the trigger at all times, as Samsung will only make a precious few of those. Meanwhile, the new renders of the three tablets bought to use by renowned leaker Evan Blass who show us the new look. It is quite apparent that the Galaxy Tab S8 and Galaxy Tab S8 Plus are quite similar to each other in design. Both have a landscape-oriented selfie camera that sits on very noticeable bezels. The Galaxy Tab S8 Ultra, on the other hand, has an iPhone MacBook-style notch to house the two selfie camera sensors. There's a good reason for it to be there though. This is confirming a couple of crucial facts about Samsung's newest slates. First, the company has kept a slim bezel around the front of each unit, making each easy to hold no matter which version you end up buying. While smartphones have switched to minimized bezels with full-screen displays, keeping somewhere for your fingers to rest while holding a tablet is essential. That said, the massive 14-inch screen offered on the Tab S8 Ultra does sport slimmer models, complete with a notch to maintain its front-facing camera. We previously learned that all three Galaxy Tab S8 variants could arrive in two flavors, one powered by the Exynos 2200 and the other by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. It's hard to tell which market will get which variant, but we can assume it to be similar to how Samsung plans on divvying up the Galaxy S22 series. Although it seemed like the Galaxy Tab S8 series was on track to replace last year's Tab S7 and S7 Plus before 2021 was up, it's evident that's no longer the case. If you've been waiting with bated breath for some new Android slates, they might not be too far off as everything getting real, and it might just be enough to tide you over until their eventual announcements. There are a couple of other details noticeable in these photos. The 11-inch Tab S8 uses a larger power button with a built-in fingerprint sensor. The Tab S8 Plus and S8 Ultra make the switch to an in-display sensor, and as such, feature smaller power buttons. All three tablets keep the selfie cam positioned horizontally, ideal for taking meetings while on the go. It should work well with any keyboard accessories Samsung puts out for its latest slates, avoiding the awkward placement of some other mainstream gadgets. So with the number of leaks accelerating as we barrel towards a new year, it seems like an early 2022 launch is all but certain. Who knows, maybe we'll get to see Samsung's new tablets lined up alongside the long-awaited Galaxy S21 FE in just a few short weeks. Well, that is it guys. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.